Plug load control is a method of conserving energy by turning off certain receptacles and their connected loads when they are not needed. This eliminates parasitic or standby loads. These are loads that still use energy when they appear to be off or in sleep mode, such as printers, monitors, TVs, etc. Plug load control was first introduced in ASHRAE 90.1, which has been the benchmark for minimum energy efficiency requirements for most commercial construction. While this video is not intended to be a full overview of plug load control requirements outlined in ASHRAE 90.1, some key requirements are that it applies to offices, conference rooms, copy printing rooms, classrooms, individual workstations, and break rooms. In these spaces, 50% of all 120 volt 15 or 20 amp receptacles and 25% of all branch circuits feeding modular furniture are required to be controlled. There are certain areas that do not require plug load control, so always be sure to verify with your local jurisdiction. There are three methods of accomplishing plug load control. They are schedule-based control, system-based control, and occupancy-based control. In a schedule-based control scenario, the plug loads are turned on and off by a building schedule. When using this method, the control system must give the end user the ability to override the receptacles for 2 hours, and the controlled areas must not be larger than 5,000 square feet. With system-based plug load control, a separate signal is used to turn the plug loads off within 20 minutes of the spaces being empty. An example would be a building management system, or BMS, that is capable of detecting occupancy and providing a signal to the lighting control system to turn the plug loads off when the space is unoccupied. The occupancy-based plug load control method is the most common and uses occupancy sensors to detect occupancy of a space and turns the plug loads off within 20 minutes of the spaces being empty. In the next video, we will review how ASHRAE accomplishes plug load control.